Edgar earns $12 per hour at his job during weekdays. His hourly earnings are increased by 50% when he works during weekends. Edgar worked 20 hours this week on weekdays. What is the minimum whole number of hours? Edgar will have to work during this weekend in order to earn at least $400 this week. Alright, so let's just see how much he would be earning on weekends. So weekdays, Edgar earns $12 per hour, and then his hourly earnings are increased by 50% on weekends. So $12 increased by 50%, so we're going to multiply by 1.5. So this equals 12 times 3 over 2. So then that would be 18. The way you can think about this is you have 12 over 2 times 3 over 1. That equals 12 times 3 over 2, which would be the same thing as this, 12 times 3 over 2. Okay, anyway, we know that it's 18. Hopefully you know how to do multiplication. So now that we know on the weekends we earn $18 per hour, we need to use this to find the minimum whole number of hours Edgar will have to work. So what we're going to do is we have 20 hours this week on weekdays, so 20 times 12 is going to be, we have 0, 4 plus 0, 0, 2, and this equals 240. Or you could just do 12 times 2 and add and multiply by 10. So 12 times 2 times 10, it will equal 240. So we know that he earned, throughout the week, so far, he's earned $240, and then plus, however, 18 times however many hours, we'll just say H, and it's going to be greater than or equal to 400. We want at least 400. So now we just, we subtract 240. So then we get 400 minus 240 is going to equal 160, and it's greater than or equal to 18 hours. 18 times H, divide by 18, divide by 18. So then we get H equals 160 over 18, and we can try to simplify this a bit. We have H equals, let's just do 10 times, and then we have 16 over 18. And I'll erase some of this. Okay, it's not working. The eraser is not working, so I'm just gonna move it to up here. So if we have 10 times 16 over 18, we can reduce this to 8 over 9. So 10 times 8 over 9 would be 80 over 9. So then you have to realize that we want to make 80 divisible by 9. So let's think of what is divisible by 9 that's around 80, and immediately off the top of the dome, you should think of 81 over 9. So this will equal 9. So we're going to have to work a minimum of 9 hours. Hopefully that makes sense.